Hi everyone, here we go one more time. Piracicaba City Charter number 2, as I promised you. You know, so on all the different places, you know, here in Piracicaba, very interesting. So stay with us, and we are about to show you this waterfall. Let's see it. With the eyes of the drone in the air. The waterfall is right there, as you see, and it's very dry right now. That's what I want to say. And we cannot appreciate, you know, the water coming down, and actually effect with that. It's because the water falling down, and apparently it looks like that, you know. Well, no more else to say. We got to go back home, you know, and come back here to Piracicaba to show you the next charter, you know, of the 4 places, you know, in Piracicaba. So stay tuned for the next charter coming ahead. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumb up. Comment if you like this video, and hit that bell button. Stay tuned for the next video coming ahead. Right, guys? Until next time, Enrique Morris out.